How's it going, guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Dualsense controller with your iPhone 6s. Yes, you heard it right. This is the iPhone 6s. We're gonna play some games now, but let me show you how to connect it first. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you like, subscribe and share. So first that we have to do is we need to enable the Bluetooth. So we're gonna go to the Bluetooth, we're gonna enable that. So as you can see, the Bluetooth is on. And now we're gonna leave the phone on the side and we're gonna take the Dualsense controller. So we're gonna press two buttons. We're gonna press the PS button and also we're gonna press the share button in the same time. So we're gonna do that in 1, 2, 3. And now the Dualsense controller will start to pulse, as you can see. So that's mean that he's searching for a Bluetooth device. I'm gonna leave this on the side. And now we need to go to Bluetooth settings. So let's go to Bluetooth settings. And we're gonna press the Bluetooth settings. Bluetooth settings. And now we're gonna search for Dualsense controller. As you can see, the phone already got the Dualsense controller. We're gonna press on it. And now it's being connected. And now we're gonna choose a game. I already downloaded this game. And we're gonna play here now. Let me show you. Also, I'm going to show you how to change some of the controls of the Dualsense controller if you want to do that as well. And now the game is going to ask us if you want to, if you want to connect the controller. We're going to say yes. As you can see, now the game is playing, which is very nice. For some reason there is no sound, but you can connect your headphones and you can listen to the game, which is gonna be nice. And now we are ready to play. As you can see, I accelerate and now I'm pressing the brakes, which is quite fun. Again, you can put your headphones and you can listen to the sound, but for some reason there's no sound while playing. I don't know why. But this is fun. So now you can play everywhere. You just need to have your Dualsense controller with you and your favorite game, and you can play everywhere. I think this is fun. Many people, I think, will enjoy that if they're playing outside. And I think it's nice. Something that you can do with a Dualsense controller is you can take a screenshot. So if you press the share button twice, as you can see, screenshot, which is very nice. Also, if you hold the share button, we can start a recording, which is nice. We're gonna enable that. And now we can start a recording, which is very cool. So you can share the gameplay to your social media, which is very, very nice. I'm not a very good driver, but I think it's fun. And this is so cool that you can play with the Dualsense controller and with your phone. It's very good. Now, what you can do, let me show you some of the settings. So, if we go to settings, and if we go to general, and if you scroll down, we're going to find a game controller. If you press on the game controller, now we have custom controls. And now you can change all the controls on your Dualsense, if that makes sense. So you can change the L1 button, you can change the L2, depends on the game you're playing, which is very cool in my opinion. But yeah, let me know what do you think, guys. I think this is fun to play everywhere. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. Let me know in the comments which game do you play on a mobile device, or if you have any suggestions, let me know. I can try some games and I can show you. But yeah, this is fun. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.